When it's hot or warm outside and we want something cold and refreshing to drink, try a mango protein smoothie. I'm going to share the recipe with you guys. I'm going to have it for breakfast, but let me know how you guys make it. Let's go ahead. Here I have about a cup of ice in the blender. I have about 1 cup of chopped fresh mango. You can use frozen mango if you don't have fresh. 1 cup of non-fat Fairlife milk. Half a cup of 5 Greek 0% fat yogurt. And 1 cup of vanilla protein powder. Let's get going. Smoothie is ready. We're ready to serve. It's going to make 2 servings. Each serving has approximately 200 calories and about 22 to 23 grams of protein. So pretty good when it comes to the amount of protein versus the calories. And there we go. Everybody try it at home and let me know how you guys like it. Bye for now.